So what's up, guys? You guys are welcome to this YouTube channel. Now this is a quick one, guys. I just want to give you guys a fast update on what happened this week with our trading, guys. You remember I have a challenge account of 5k that I've been giving you guys report every week on how far that account has gone. And remember, I did phase 2. I got phase 2 last week, and that last week I had just 0.5%. As you can see on your screen right now, 0.5%, almost blown, guys. Guys, you know what happened on Monday? On Monday, some trade I took, right? That 0.5% that was remaining, I lost half of that half. So it was remaining $22 to blow, and I now lost $11. So it was now remaining $11. So it was just $11 for that account to be completely gone, guys. And what happened later? Fortunately for me, my edge started playing out in the market, and I saw my setup, right? I saw this particular setup you are seeing on your screen right now, and I was able to move that account from $11 to $50. I was looking just for $5, and I was able, overall in this week, I was able to move it to I was able to add 4% to the account, right? I was able to add 4% to the account. But what later happened is, as the week progressed, I also lost some part of it, right? So right now the account is down again to almost 2%, right? So overall I was able to add 1.5% by the end of the week, as you are seeing on your screen right now. But I also have a fundedness competition that I am part of, right? And I'll be giving you guys report on every video on how that competition is going so far. We were around 82,000 plus that started the competition, and right now it's only 40 something thousand that is remaining. The remaining 40 something has dropped. Okay, and my position right now is I was able to make nothing less than 21,000 on that account. Right now I was able to do 21% on that account. Now remember, the purpose of me starting this competition, not really because I want to win it, it's just to be able to test my skills and be able to assure myself that when I eventually start trading a 100k account, I can actually handle it properly. And that's why I actually joined the competition, right? But in this competition you have to be at least top 600 to be able to partake in anything meaningful in the competition. But right now I am currently around 700 position, right? But what that has placed me is at the top 1% traders, because from my level right now, it means that I'm one of the top 1% traders for this competition, if you want to check it by percentage, right? So it's still a very good place to be. But it's still remaining 1 week to go, guys, and let's see what happens this week before the trade drops. But before I run out of this video, guys, I'm going to give you guys breakdown on how I was able to take this trade, how I was able to spot this trade, what happened. I'm going to be showing you guys on my chart how I was able to analyze and spot this trade, and also going to be showing you guys our Telegram, how we did on our Telegram this trade, because I told you guys that on the Telegram group I'm always posting trades that are A+ setup, and so far it has worked well for us, guys. So guys, let's just go straight to my TradeStation, and let me walk you guys on how it went. So guys, as I said, let me just, so guys, you're welcome to my charts, right? You're welcome to my studio, to my trading station. So guys, you're welcome to my trading station. Let me just show you guys, let me just do a little bit breakdown so that you guys can know how I was able to arrive at my positions for the week. Right now we are on H4 time frame. This is the 4 hours. So as you can see on the screen right now, we have seen a very huge double top right here. Now I've already marked out these levels. Even before the market came to this level, I've already mapped them out, because these are very strong resistance levels. So I was expecting the market to touch before going up, but as you can see, it came very close and then started going up. So it's still the same thing, you know, resistance level. Sometimes the market might come close, break it, come close to it before reacting from it. So guys, what you are seeing right now, what are we expecting for gold in the coming days? Okay, as you can see from the monthly time frame, from the higher time frame, I mean to say, the gold is highly bullish, right? As the trend changed, yes, for now I can see a change in trend, because as you can see right here, this is double top, right? And this is break of structure to the downside. This is a break of structure to the downside. So guys, what I'm expecting from this market is to pull up to this level, right, before continue to the downside. So that was why I went to the lower time frame and I started looking for buys. All the trades I took throughout the week was buys. As you can see, this one I sent it to the group. This is 1:6, Right, this one I could not. I don't think I didn't send the rest to the group, but I sent one of these. And there are some trade I sent to the group. I'm going to go to the group and show you the trade we took. In the week, I was able to send up to 4 profitable trades to the group this week. Okay, but personally, because it's not all the whole trade I take that I do send to the group, I only send the A plus setups. Right, there's some other setup I do trade that are not A plus. Right, those kind of trades I don't send them to the group. So guys, as you can see, I had a loss right here. I didn't even send this trade to the group because it wasn't an A setup trade. Okay, and let me just show you guys something on the H4 time frame before we proceed. Right, let me show you guys a little something you need to learn from, because one thing I've noticed about the market is that they always repeat themselves. Okay, if you take a look to the downside of this market, if you take a look, you discover that what is happening right now has happened before in this market. I want to take a cue from that so that when you are making your future decisions, you will know what to do. Right, you will make the right calls. Let me go to the lower time frame to bring it up properly. As you can see, this double top that is printing right here right now, it has happened somewhere around here before. The same structure that is playing out right here, this structure that is playing out in a bigger time frame, has since played out in the lower time frame. As you can see here, this same structure, what happened on the structure, there was a break in structure right here. The market came down and then continued climbing back up. Right, so a lot of people expected it to come and continue shooting down, but it did what? It continued climbing up. So what should you expect as a good trader? What you do is you keep your bias open, because it can still repeat the same thing. It can still come here and continue shooting to the upside, because a lot of people are buying gold right now. So gold still have the tendency to, even after breaking this structure, can still continue to shoot to the upside. So what do you do? So what I'm going to be doing right now is, once the market gets to this level, I'm going to see how it's going to react. If it breaks to the upside, then I know that it's continuing to the upside. If it breaks, come back to retest the level, then I know that it's going up. Or if it rejects from here, then I know that it is coming down. So however, whatever I do, we are always here to catch some trades. But before I go, let's just go to the group and let me show you guys what we're able to do on the group this week. So guys, you're welcome to our Telegram community. Okay, right now we are not much in this Telegram because it's no longer open it. So you want to join, you want to come in, so you can also join us to be making a lot of money right here. As you can see, we've been catching a lot of pips right here. Now let me just walk you guys through what happened during the week. Right, Monday was 20th. Now this was on 20th. This trade was posted on the 20th. As you can see, we saw a very good setup. We entered, but it took us out on break even because the market was kind of consolidating right there. But eventually that trade even moved to TP, right? But we're not part of that trade. So I later saw a very good opportunity right here. Also, I posted it on this Telegram community. As you can see, we're targeting 200 pips for this trade. Okay, eventually when the trade gets 150 pips, we broke even right here, right? And then as you can see, it was a very beautiful trade. It gave us 1:6, that's 300 pips, because I was risking 50 pips for this market. Now right now we're able to see another beautiful setup. I think it was the same 20th. That was on Monday, right? So we had a lot of good trade on Monday in the group, right? So we saw with this beautiful setup right here. You know, I always like to post with the chart so that you self can go and plot it out on the chart and then probably take a clue from what I'm doing, right? And then this was the trade running. Eventually we broke even at 200 pips. Okay, and then it smashed our TP later. This was the next day I posted this, because it smashed the TP in the evening, and this was happening around 4:12 p.m. right, 4:12 p.m. So the next day was when I posted this. I posted this early in the morning around 3 a.m. That was because then I slept off. When I wake up, I saw that TP was already smashed. I just screenshot it and posted it in the morning, right? And right here we saw that trade on the October 23rd. That was on Thursday. There was no trade on Wednesday, right? So we saw another trade on Thursday, right? So on this Thursday, what happened right here, as you can see, we took the very beautiful setup and then it went into 100 pips, and we broke even at 100 pips for this one. And then finally TP was smashed, and that was gave us 300 pips in 30 minutes. So it was a very beautiful trade. Now this was the trade report, this week trade report, right? Break even, 1 break even, 3 take profit, total 4 wins for this week. We'll go again next week. So guys, if you're not part of this channel, this is what you're missing, guys. You want to go and join right now. because I'm still going to be posting very good trades in the coming weeks. So guys, that is it for our Telegram community. Let's go. Welcome back, guys. Welcome back from our trade station. So guys, as you're able to see, we did well this week on the group. So guys, want to make sure you are part of this group. Okay, so but thank you guys for sticking with me to the end of this video. I want this video to be as short as possible. I'm going to be seeing you guys next week to give you guys report on what eventually happened if I eventually blow this 5K account and the position I later took in the competition. You guys should stay tuned, right? Subscribe to this YouTube channel and please like this video. I'm praying I don't blow this 5K account. Let's see if I'm able to get withdraw from it, right? So guys, we'll be seeing you guys on the next one. Bye for now.